Hello kids, do you remember the table of 4 we learned? Let's level up today. We are going to learn the super easy and fun table of 5. Are you ready? Let's go. Children, shall we start? 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are how much, children? 5 fives are 25. 5 six are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Awesome job, kids. Now you know the table of 5. Keep practicing every day. Don't forget to watch our previous video on the table of 4. Like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Bye.